Dear students, in the last videos we have learned about the role of Gandhiji in South Africa. We also have learned Gandhiji arrives in India, and we learn about the philosophy of Satyagraha. Now today we will learn about the Champaran Satyagraha. Champaran Satyagraha. Champaran, it's a name of place. Champaran, it's a name of place and it is in Bihar. In Bihar, the farmers of Champaran region were forced to cultivate indigo. Indigo, it's a type of crop. It's a type of crop, or we also know this about the name of color, but it's a type of crop. And the British government forced to the farmers of the Champaran region to cultivate only indigo, and the cultivators suffered economically since they received fixed amount from the planters. And here one of the problem is there for the farmers. The cultivators suffered economically. Why? Because the government has fixed the amount for the plants or for the indigos, and Gandhiji, they went to Champaran in the year 1917. Gandhiji went to Champaran, it is in Bihar, in the year 1917. He organized the farmers in Champaran and launched agitation by following the way of Satyagraha. Agitation or protest, or they shows their protest by launching the campaign, by launching the launched agitation, or they show their opposition by following the way of Satyagraha. And this was the Gandhiji's first war of independence in India. Became successful and the farmers were given justice. It was the first experiment of Mahatma Gandhiji of Satyagraha in the Champaran region in Bihar, and in it Gandhiji successfully gave the justice to the farmers of Bihar or farmers of Champaran region. Here it's a first experiment of. Now second, Kheda Satyagraha. Kheda Satyagraha. Kheda, it is also the name of place, and here also Gandhiji did a Satyagraha for the people. And why? Because why did the Gandhiji use the way of Satyagraha in the Kheda region? Why? Because due to constant famines, famines means droughts in Kheda district, it is in Gujarat, the crop had failed. Due to constant famines in the Kheda district, the crops of the farmers had failed. Then also the government forcefully trying to collect the tax from the farmers. Here see, still land tax was forcefully collected by the government. British government is forcing to the farmers to pay the tax or to pay the land tax for the government, though there were the famine. Gandhiji suggested that the farmer should refuse to pay the tax. The farmers began the movement for scrapping of tax at Kheda in the year 1918. Gandhiji accepted the leadership of this movement within a short period of time. See here, and in the Kheda region, Gandhiji suggested to the farmers they should not pay the tax. They should refuse to pay the tax, and the farmers, they began the movement against the British government for scrapping of tax at Kheda in the year 1918. So it is also important for us in which year there were the Kheda Satyagraha, it was in the year 1918, and Champaran Satyagraha, it was in 1917, and it was in Gujarat. Kheda, it was in Gujarat, and Champaran, it is in Bihar, right? The farmers accepted the leadership of the Gandhiji in the Kheda Satyagraha, and within a very short period of time, the government suspended the tax, and because of the Satyagraha of Mahatma Gandhi in Kheda district, the government suspended the tax for the farmers. So this was the second experiment of Mahatma Gandhi in the year 1918 in the Kheda district, for the farmers not to pay the tax, and it was also very successful, right? So in the next video we will learn about workers movements at Ahmedabad. So friends, today in today's video we have learned about the two experiments of Mahatma Gandhi, that is of Champaran Satyagraha for the farmers of indigo, and Kheda Satyagraha for the farmers of Kheda district to refuse to pay the tax for the British government only because of the constant droughts in the region.